Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I bought this photography LED light set. I believe it's Alston brand off of Amazon. And I just wanted to share this experience with you all for those of you like myself that are trying to grow their, I guess, their channel or their studio. You know, I like to share the knowledge. I wish I would have looked at someone else's video before I ordered it. I think it's only $43. It's packaged pretty tightly. It came with two, Lord have mercy, it came with two lights, which I didn't think was bad. The last lighting set I bought was at Staples, and I believe I paid more for that one light without the stand than I paid for both of these together. So hopefully I'm getting a good deal. Okay, this is what the stands look like. I'm not gonna open up both of them, but ooh, okay, let me find out Amazon had a good deal. It is a bestseller, so okay, that's what the stand looks like, and I have two of them. I'm pretty sure it does not wobble like that, but I don't have it. Okay, let's do that. Okay, there it is. And then I'm assuming that these are the lights. Comes with that little handy, I guess, notebook to tell you what to do. And this, ooh, okay. Let me find out Amazon come through. My light I bought at Staples was half that size. Okay, and I get two of these. Of course, they would put something I would have to put together, but it doesn't look hard, so yeah, it doesn't look hard. And then this is what the light looks like. How cute! And these are the adjustments that they sent. I don't know what the correct terminology is, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. It comes with several different colors. Of course, I'm going to be looking at another video to figure out how to use these. And again, I'm just doing a video for someone else that wants to know excuse me, what this looks like before they go and order it off of Amazon. It is 2022 and it is $43. I don't know about y'all, but I hate ordering stuff and I gotta send back. Ooh, okay, let me find out. I like this. It's pretty easy to put together. Oh well. Okay. And I am going to, because of the way I have my, light set up, I'm not going to raise my camera. How in the world do you put this on? Interesting. Okay. Maybe I should read the instructions. Oh, Don't talk about me. I didn't know. Oh, God. Yeah, that was easy. I think you should go get it. Pretty easy to assemble. I'm going to put it back up, plug it up, and then I'm going to show you how good the lighting is. But I need to adjust my camera, so please bear with me. It has a pretty long cord on it, which is good. I'm just going to hook mine up into the computer and hope for the best. Oh, y'all, let me take this down. Okay, so I have it all hooked up, and let's try it out. Let me unhook from my other stand. That would probably help. And this is what it looks like put together. I'm assuming this tightens it because that's what my other light does. When you tighten this stops moving. As you can see, of course, I would have it shining in my face. And then, ooh, I think it's pretty good. I think this is a pretty good deal. You get 2 of the same light fixtures for $43. And like I said, I paid more for this, more for the one I had at Staples than I paid for this one. Well, both of these put together, and these are twice as big as the one I got from Staples. Cute little light button. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let me find out. And that is what it looks like on your items. And y'all can see it, that one light changed my lighting drastically. So I would give it an 8 out of 10. Both of them put together probably will be a little bit better. But in my room, this is what it looks like in my craft room. I don't have very bright lights in my craft room, but I needed lights, needless to say. So I hope this helps somebody before they, I'm going to turn that off, choose to purchase it. Don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button, you guys. Follow me as I, go through my journey as I crochet and just share every experience that I come across with my crochet channel. I'm going to leave the link in the comments and any other details that you may need. And if you have any questions, definitely hit me up and I'll be sure to answer those for you. Bye.